Hello everyone, this is LeetCode's actually fast problem to sum. It's a easy one, but we can optimize this one. It actually says that we'd be given an array and target, and within this array there will be two elements. If we add those element, it's going to be equal to target. We need to return the index of that target. And yeah, lots of companies actually asking this question. So now I'm going to explain the solution. Actually, we can brute force this and use actually nested for loop. We can fix one number on an element and search for other elements and add them and see that if it matches. But there is another optimal solution where we can solve it with n time and using the n space. So we're going to add a hash map or the dictionary, and here what I have done is I have looked over the whole array and added the value and the index here of the array. uh, why we're doing it, I'm going to explain it later. Actually, let's go into the loop where we're going to calculate that if it matches or not. So actually, if we think that the target is going to fulfill with the current position of the array, if we have the target minus the element is equal to the remaining part of the uh, here. Let's say if let's say 2 and the target is 9, if I minus 2 it's going to be 7. So if 7 exists, or if we can know the index of the 7, then the problem is solved. We are doing the same thing here, and also making sure that in each case that we're not getting the same number. Let's say there could be if the target is 6, there could be 3 here, and let's say another 3 here. Or if I just look into this array, I can if I don't add this part, I'll be at 0 0, which is going to be wrong. So we need to add and check that we're not looking into the same index. And yeah, if we have the uh, another part of the element and its index, we can simply return it. Let's run the code with example test cases. Thank you.